Alrighty, so far our Instagram app is looking perfect and amazing. We can like our post, we can favorite our post, and we can also follow our users. Right now, if we want to go to our users profile, we need a username, but unfortunately for us, we have not yet created a username for our application. So let's go ahead and add username functionality to our Instagram application. So you can go back to our app. And here we can start by altering the users table. So here let's go to users table. In here let's add a username. Just copy this, paste that there. And in here we're going to add a username which is also unique. Alright, after that, let's go ahead to our user model. In here let's copy this, paste it there, and then here let's add user name. Next, let's go to our user factory. And here, since our username is required by default, we also have to add a username here. So let's copy this, paste it there, remove this save email, replace it with user name, and in here username. Alright, next we're gonna have to go, because when we register our application, we do not yet have a field for a username. So let's go to our user. Actually, let's go to register, Blade, this one, resources, views, auth. Alright, in here let's just copy this name and let's replace this with username, ID for errors, the name, and value there, username. There, username. So here with email, it's supposed to actually be how to complete email. Alright, here one last thing, add username. Alright, so after editing our Blade register file, now let's go to our registered user controller. So open that. In here, let's also add a field for our usernames. Just copy this one for the email, paste it down there. Here, let's say username. Here, just leave it unique username. It's going to automatically check for unique usernames in our users table. Like when creating, let's actually create our user with a username. Request username. Alright, so after that is done, now we can simply pull up the terminal. In here, let's click PHP artisan, migrate, fresh, and seed. Right, everything was run successfully, which means our users table and model are working perfectly. Now we can simply go back to application and refresh the page. Let's go to register. You see, now we have a field called username, which is just recently added. So here, let's put that, register. Awesome, we have now managed to register and with our username added to our field. So we can now like, bookmark there, follow, and etc. Alright, so that's it for this video. Let's now go and create our user profile. So see you in the next video.